Hello everyone, BuilderBro07 here, and today we're going to be talking about an introduction to the color sensor. And in my opinion, the color sensor is one of the most useful sensors there are in Ev3, and you will use it a lot in FLL and any other robotics competitions using Ev3. And as you see here, I have two color sensors on my robot, and today we'll be learning about what they do and why they're so useful. Now let's head over to the ev3lessons.com website to see more. The lesson objectives are to learn how to use the color sensor and learn about coast and brake. And last time we learned about what a sensor was, and there are many sensors in Ev3, including color, gyro, ultrasonic, touch, and infrared sensors. And today we'll be learning about the color sensor. So what is the color sensor? Well, they are sensors that detect the intensity of light that enters it, and there are three modes in the color sensor: reflected light intensity, and ambient light intensity, and color. So, color mode recognizes the 7 colors: black, brown, blue, green, yellow, red, and white, and no color at all. And reflected light measures the intensity of the light reflected back from a lamp that emits a red light. 0 equals very dark, and 100 equals very light. So in this case, like black would be very, very dark, and white would be very light. And ambient light measures the strength of the light that enters the sensor from the environment. So 0 is very dark, and 100 is very light again. And uses. For a color sensor, you can make it move until a line. You can follow a line. So let's say you have a curved line or a straight line. You can use that while following this line with the color sensor, and you can also find the color. And let's play a game using the color sensor. We will use color mode in this lesson. And here's another move steering tip. So something more about the move steering block. You will notice that you have an option to coast or brake, and coast means the motors will keep moving and gradually stop, and brake will make the motor stop immediately. And what do you want to use to stop exactly on a color line? And we'll find that out in a couple of seconds. And first off, let's also do the color sensor challenge. So how do you make the robot move up to a green line using the color sensor? So step 1 is use the wait for color block, which we also use for the touch sensor, but this time it's for color. Right here, color, compare, color. Use the color sensor in color mode right here, and coast or brake. So you have to use brake because then it will stop exactly on the line. And here's the challenge solution, and move steering set to on. So you have to go on until the color sensor reads that it's green, and then it moves steering set to off with brake, as I said. So you start and then you stop when it sees the green color. And discussion guide. Can you look for more than one color with the color sensor? Yes, there are many colors. And what is the difference between coast and brake and a move steering block? Answer: coast will allow your motors to spin freely after a move, but brake will immediately stop it. And again, I got this lesson from ev3lessons.com website, and I highly suggest you to check it out. And it is BuilderBro07, and as always, build on and have a great day.